Hi, I'm Jill Menzel.
And I'm Mike Radke. We're both faculty at Catalysis, former healthcare leaders, and currently problem-solving and leadership coaches.
We are really excited to be teaching a class called Problem Solving Coaching, How to Avoid the Plan, Do, Abandon Cycle as a pre-summit workshop on Tuesday, June 7th at the Lean Healthcare Transformation Summit. We'll explore two areas of problem solving that many struggle with: effective experimenting and effective coaching.
Does your organization struggle to get beyond the initial steps in problem solving? More specifically, once you identify contributors to your problem using A3 thinking, how do you effectively run experiments using visual management, engaging your people, while creating an environment to fail quickly, reflect, and learn?
And how about coaching problem solving? Through our experience, the key to forward momentum in problem solving is consistent, constructive coaching of problem owners. This includes asking effective questions, building a regular cadence, involving the right stakeholders, and setting clear role expectations.
Our hands-on session should leave participants with a clear system to experiment around your problems. It will also give you an opportunity to both learn and apply a deeper practice of coaching to develop problem-solving capabilities in others, while effectively working through A3 thinking on your highest priority problems.
So we hope you'll join us in Salt Lake City on June 7th.